Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. Today's recipe is a very refreshing and healthy drink which is usually made during the month of Ramadan. It's a great energy booster. So let's get started and check out this dry fruit and nut milkshake. I have 1 cup of soaked mixed nuts and raisins and about 7 pitted dates that have been soaked in a little water. So first I'm going to grind the nuts and the dates. I'm just going to pour a little milk to grind the nuts and the dates. I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a few ice cubes. Since the dates and raisins are already very sweet, you can add sugar according to your taste if it required. So that's an option. Add about 2 cups of milk and blend everything together. The milkshake is done. I've blended to a nice smooth consistency. Garnish it with some saffron strands. Serve this drink nice and cold and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.